Welcome to our channel. Drawing coffee cups today. Draw an ellipse with a black pen. Draw the bottom half of the cup. At the bottom is an elliptical tray. Drawing on the right handles. Starting the milkshake. There's a big cherry. The milkshake is covered in chocolate chips. Drawing the thickness of the cup. Adding texture to the liquid. Adding a lace pattern to a cup. Drawing a cute expression. Cute mouth. Bright eyes. Blush. Now the simple figure is complete. Let's start stroking and bolding. It's done. It's great. Now let's get to the colors. Olive yellow. Orange. Blush.